Hi guys, welcome back. In this lesson, we will be installing SparkR. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to open up R Studio. So from our start menu, we search for R Studio. Okay, so now that that's open, the first thing that we will do is create a new project folder. So we click on File and then select New Project and then New Directory and then New Project again. And now we are going to browse, and then somewhere we create a new folder for our project, and we can call it RSpark or SparkR. Course, you can call it whatever you want, but that is what I'm going to call mine, and then click on open. Okay, and now the directory name can be the same. And then select create project. Okay, so once you can see your project in the lower bottom pane, we can now install the SparkR library. Okay, so in the console, we type the command install dot packages, and then in quotation marks, we will be installing SparkR, and then press enter. Okay, so now the package SparkR is installed. So now the next thing that we need to do is we need to create a new script window so that we can start writing our code. So we click on file. We click on this plus button here, which is also basically file, and then select R script. And now we have our script file open. So now we have created our project folder and we have installed SparkR. So now we are ready to start writing the code. So thanks a lot for tuning in. I'll see you guys in the next video.